I am very clear that on this matter, I am not talking about playing what they call a neutral role as a journalist on it, because my point of view is based on law from the Constitution and even our Criminal and Other Offences Act. The police could have processed them for bail immediately they were arrested. They didn't do so. They are claiming, very bizarrely, that all these people didn't give their addresses. It cannot happen that all of them didn't give their addresses. They kept them in different cells, so they could not have united to deny to give their addresses. Then kept some of them beyond 48 hours in disregard to Article 14 of the Constitution. Then beyond that, they took them to court. Now, let us all not forget this. The people who took these people to court are not the police. It is the Attorney General and the Minister for Justice. They did the most injustice to these people by arguing against bail. The law says bail shall not be used as punishment. As we speak, bail has been used as punishment against them. 14 days. They are in cell, they are in custody. When their rights or their charges have not been determined and they've not been held guilty as of yet. The law says all persons who are arrested or detained for whatever purposes are to be presumed innocent. They are innocent until they have been proven guilty. The judges who also decided that even if they had issues, the return date for these people to return for them to be heard should be 14 days, did the most injustice, the most assault of the Constitution, particularly Article 296, which says the exercise of discretion by the judges and any other person shall not be arbitrary, it shall not be prejudiced, it shall not be biased, and it shall not be on the basis of resentment for any reasons. There cannot be any justification why they have been kept for 14 days before the next hearing. In fact, they should have been asked to come the next day for a trial. The Attorney General, they filed an application asking that a judge, another high court, should hear and grant them bail. The Attorney General went and pleaded that they should be given sufficient time. I have filed the case in the court. I filed the case like today. By the next morning, the Attorney General was in court without literally filing anything to it and arguing on it. And it was dealt with. I think the judiciary also can play a part by commanding these judges to attend to these people as quickly as possible. This is the most injustice that can be done to any human being. I'm not talking about whether or not they committed excesses. That's a different issue.